It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 Y's back on the block with another banger, broski. Hey, before we do anything, man, I gotta give a major shout out and salute to all my OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike, broski. We've been going up here lately and having a whole lot of fun in the comment box, man. If you're new around here, please pull up a seat, join in on the fun, broski. I only ask you don't come up here with the hating and the negative shit, bro. Other than that, we'll get along just fine. You know what I'm saying? But, moving along, yo, check this out, man. This thumbnail's gonna be crazy. Look at this, bro. Know what I mean? We got the whole solar pack, the whole Pharrell Williams Human Racer solar pack, and we got my week 1 online pickups, bro. Like unboxing type deal. And matter of fact, yeah, let's get into the unboxings on these first so you'll know what's going on.
This that shit that them gangsta two-step to, yeah. This that shit a fuck nigga get slept to, yeah. Keep my motherfucking name out your mouth. Pussy nigga one call, I had a mob at your house, yeah. This that shit that them gangsta two-step to, yeah. This that shit a fuck nigga get slept to, yeah. Keep my motherfucking name out your mouth. Bitch, you know where I'm at. I ain't hard to be found on the motherfucking I ain't starting shit, my nigga. Guess who ain't looking for beef? But guess who got that shit for nigga looking for me? My only had one girl, dog, and it ain't me. The same address I send niggas is where I be. Please don't think you safe like the mob, don't track IPs. Do something stupid, your next plug will be IV. Your boy got reach, you try box, bring 3 I leave. When I come, it's peace, my dog, you can't shit, why eat? Got too much to lose, but I'm still for the dumb shit. It's murder if I let a broke boy turn me to a convict. Need no response unless you wanna be left unresponsive. Let this shit sink in, bruh. Trust me, I ain't poppin' shit yet, did you feel warning? But you better move if I'm still pissed in the morning. Packed in with some bloods and crips and my shit hot, I'm coming. Yeah. This that shit that them gangsta two-step to, yeah. This that shit a fuck nigga get slept to, yeah. Keep my motherfucking name out your mouth. Pussy nigga one call, I had a mob at your house, yeah. This that shit that them gangsta two-step to, yeah. This that shit a fuck nigga get slept to, yeah. Keep my motherfucking name out your mouth. Bitch, you know where I'm at. I ain't hard to be found on the motherfucking mob. Guess who up next? Guess who in their mouth like a bitch? Who going up to get rich? Who spending all their baby mama check? Who ain't really got a brag? Who shit stuck so they mad? Who big butt chasing bass? Who talking sitting on their ass? I ain't for the snake shit. Them niggas who keep saying that they real be the fake. It's my only title, Davey, but them youngin' call me Lace God. Look ink on my chest and they say I'm a heartthrob. Out here making moves, tryna put my set on the map. Gotta watch these niggas with they hand out, they setting traps. Tell a hater go the other way or get a dirty bet. Looking for the real shit, the market tell you where it's at. Only nigga on the two that had to get it out of scale. Any nigga bit lying, listen to him, you could tell. Screaming mob, bro, I had to mob some shit for real. On the mob, for real. This that shit that them gangsta two-step to, yeah. This that shit a fuck nigga get slept to, yeah. Keep my motherfucking name out your mouth. Pussy nigga one call, I had a mob at your house, yeah.
So yeah, bro, first off, man, I got the yellow bag, broski. And it came with a bouncy ball. I got me a good old bouncy ball. You know what I mean? I'm good to go. No more stickers, just the bag. It came with some box logos as well. But yeah, man, after Danny pulled up with it, I had to get me one, yo. It's way bigger than last season's bag. I can fit way more than just my little point and shoot vlog camera. me as a vlogger and a YouTuber, shoetuber, whatever you call it, it makes sense to just have you a bag to keep your cameras and stuff in. For everybody else now, I don't, you know what I mean? If you're just putting your cell phone and your money and shit like that in a bag, bro, like, I don't know, but I know I plan on using to carry my shooters, the cameras, you know what I mean? In the other bag, broski, I got the Still Life tee in white, size large. Oh shit. But yeah, man, I like this joint. It's just gonna go with a lot, bro. You know what I mean? One of them shirts you can slip on anything. But definitely the kick that I had in mind to go with it is the New Love ones. Maybe I'm tripping, but you know what I mean? This shirt and this shoe with some dark blue jeans or black jeans or light blue jeans, you know what I mean? Jeans, this kick, this shirt, yeah. Cooking, broski, my opinion, you know what I'm saying? Really glad I got to scoop that up. And that's all I got my hands on for the personal for week 1 with Supreme, you know what I'm saying? Hey, and I finally got the chance to get my first pair of human racers, bro. This silhouette has been running from me since they've been dropping them, bro. And to be totally honest with y'all, bro, the only reason why I was getting rid of my Yeezys is so I can finally unbox a pair of these for the personal. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me show y'all the unboxing real quick.
Yeah, all that shit, bitch. The ma got a big on stupid. 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 Yeah, play with the fam, I'ma do it. Yeah, play with the fam, I'ma do it. You talking about that really get to it. Yeah, talk about that really get to it. Wet, bitch. I am birthday lit. Bitch, I'm payday lit. Been mobbing for that Treyway shit. Wet, bitch. Nah, this ain't no diss. I just tell the fact. They know who my family is. Wet, bitch. I just mind my biz. I don't bother sober, please don't. I am with the shiz. Wet, bitch. Get your shit ate. Tell her I'm hungry. Last verse, this one came with the blade. Wet, bitch. I feel just like Cardi. Ooh, oh no, I'm a playboy. Yeah, she rode it like a Harley. Wet, bitch. Better get your nigga. If I get them young in the word, ain't no questions asked. I know that they hit. Wet, bitch. Slut, bitch. I got 8 on my wrist. Wet, bitch. Slut, bitch. 10K on my dick. The ma got a big one stupid. The ma got a big one stupid. The ma got a big one stupid. The ma got a big one stupid.
With my very first pair of human racers, broski. Now, I personally was feeling this one. I like this one. You know what I mean? The Forever Forward pair. The words going up from the toe is Swahili. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna try to pronounce or enunciate none of that. I leave it to my professionals and everybody in the comment box who know more information on this shoe. You know what I'm saying? If you know anything that I forget to touch on, please drop it, bro, because I got 2 other shoes right here and I ain't gonna focus too tough heavy on one specific one. You know what I mean? Of course, this is my personal pair, so yo, please check back, man. We gotta lace them up and put it on foot. Well, I'm gonna leave them laced how they are, so. But we gotta get them on foot, G. You know what I'm saying? I gotta hit y'all with the on foot visuals. So, if you like what you see, you know what I mean? You feel like there's some decent quality right here? Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you're subscribed already. Because y'all already know, when these go on foot, bro. When these go on foot, that's gonna be hard, man. You know what I'm saying? And I was trying to wait, bro. I've been waiting for the homie Frey to pull up because he got my other pair. I actually got a double on this one, man. Yeah. Let's the other one. Let y'all peep that out real quick. Ooh, that is so fire, dog. I'm digging this shoe. But yeah, it remind me a lot of the Road Rat 98 show. You know what I'm saying? The colorway. Frey texted me and said that shit last night. He was like, man, you think he stole it from the 98? So not stole or was inspired by, you know what I'm saying? Possibly, man. You know what I mean? This orange, purple, teal. Hey, it just looked good together. Maybe he was inspired by the Road Rat 98s or the Cone 98s. Maybe not, you know what I'm saying? Let that rest right there. Get into the other pair. This pair right here is holding the most resale value, bro. Last time I checked on StockX, these was going over 300 still. The other two colorways dropped up under 3, and yo, if you've been into hunting for a human race, now it's the time, bro. When I seen them joints dipping up under 3, I'm about to go grab another one, like, you know what I mean? You know it's only a matter of time, or maybe, man, who knows, yo. Are the Pharrells dead now or something? I ain't get the memo. These hard to meet. This the Inspire and Empower pair. Yeah. Digging this. In person, they look a whole lot better. In person in the hand, I'm pretty sure they cold on foot too, bro. But I still like the pair that I picked over all 3. This would be the 3rd best. My pair first, of course. And I would put the pink pair second. And while we pull up the pink pair, you know what I mean, let me sit these boys up here, like so. And get into them pinks. Dang. Oh shit. But yeah, man. Matter of fact, might look a little better if I throw them joints to the side or something, y'all. But yeah, bro. The Motherland pair. Let y'all check that out. Did I do it for these? So y'all can see. The Motherland and the Empire and the Inspire. And here go my joints. One more time. Let me see if I can get all 3 of them. That would be a fire ass thumbnail for real. If I could get all 3. Ooh. Ooh. Now I got them. Probably not, bro. This shit probably look trash. Let me stop playing around these shoes and get back. Focus. Do that jump like that. Do this jump like this. This one like this. But yeah, the Motherland pair, bro. I've been playing around with these joints for long enough, man. These are hard too. And honestly, matter of fact, since I got an extra one on this one, if anybody got an extra on the pink, I would trade you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I would like to have both of these in the collection. I would probably wear them just like that on some what the action. Yeah, you think these look cool enough to wear them both at the same time, bro? I would do it. You know what I mean? Y'all know I'm fearless with the shit. It's about time for me to get up out of here, broski. You know what I'm saying? I already know y'all want to see what these boys looking like on foot. 10K mod box in full effect, man. This joint is full of goodies. Got some Supreme here, some stance socks, some stickers, some wristbands. You know what I'm saying? If you want to win this, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Make sure you're subscribed to my family channel that's gonna pop up, you know what I mean, somewhere in one of these bottom corners on the left or the right. But that's gonna pop up. Make sure you subscribe to that family channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Go to my Instagram, cause like my whole focus from 10K to like 15 or something, gonna be trying to get y'all to fuck with me on Instagram, man, cause my Instagram kind of weak. We got 10,000 subscribers over here and 100, like, you know what I mean, 1,000 on Instagram. That shit don't look right, bro. It look like I bought subscribers. Y'all know I grinded real hard, man, trying to get y'all to fuck with me. So hell yeah, you want this here mod box, make sure you do what I said, man. Subscribe to this channel, family channel, then go follow me on IG. Shoot me a message saying, hey, broski, I want the 10K mod box. You know what I'm saying? Slide in the DM. Hey, bro, I want the 10K mod box. And that's all you got to do. You'll be entered to win. I'm going to let everybody know who won next Friday on live stream. I said I was going to do it this Friday, but shit, it's Friday right now, broski. I don't even know when this video going to go up. You know what I mean? I'm going to try to get it out today, but maybe not. But hell yeah, man. Friday. Next Friday, make sure y'all tune in to the live stream, because that's how y'all gonna find out who won the mod box. You know what I'm saying? Showed y'all a whole bunch of human races. You know what I mean? Showing y'all a whole bunch of preem. What's it? Yeah, man. You know what I mean? We working, bro. We working. We working. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, man. From my family to yours, G. Y'all stay all the way up, broski. You know what I'm saying? On the mall. It's all love, bro. Peace. And yeah, bro, I forgot to mention, man, the homie Frey got an extra size 11 in this one and an extra size 14 in him. So, you know what I mean? 11 for this, size 14 for this. And I forgot if he had any extras on these. If he do, I'll let y'all know. Y'all know I got an extra 10.5 myself. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, big oops for y'all if y'all need them, bro. Fuck with us.